G'day, Ian here from Jim's Antennas and Security. Today we're here in Heidelberg doing an upgrade on a home security system. What we put in today is the HikVision Ecosystem. It's an all-inclusive system consisting of CCTV, home intercom and alarm system, all back through the one Hik Connect app and through the indoor station of the intercom. So if we have a look across over here, the very first port of call is one of the high-look active deterrence cameras. You can see it's picked me up walking through an intrusion zone, so it's flashing. It does two things. In dark times, it provides excessive light, extra light to give us full color camera viewage. And also once someone enters the intrusion zone, the flashing light goes off and provides reason for people to leave the premises. Leaving that, if we come across to the front door, the next step of our ecosystem is our HikVision intercom. So front door intercom here. Press a button, obviously ringing internally. Inside, that will also be ringing through to the homeowner's phone. They can answer the door. They can see footage of the person at the door, giving them security at the front door. So as part of our camera installation, up here we've got a high-look T289 active deterrence camera with colour active deterrence and low-light functionality. So in very low levels of light, it will give you a colour picture. If the light level becomes too low, the white light on the camera will activate and illuminate the area, giving us full colour. It also has an intrusion zone set up, hence the reason the blue and red light went off. So if I leave and if I come back into the intrusion zone, it will detect me and indicate with the red and blue light telling me that I shouldn't be here and for me to get out. So here we are now in the office, and this is our network video recorder. Currently only 4 cameras connected, so there's our 4 cameras on a split screen. If we want a larger view of one screen, we can bring them up one screen at a time. You can have 4 screens at a time. It's from here that we control our intrusion zones and our cross-line detection and all the back-of-house settings of the recorder. And from here, we can also go in and play back footage from a previous day, or with our 6 terabyte hard drive in here, we'll have about 3 weeks recording on the 4 channels that are currently installed. Next step in this process will be to bring the intercom into the NVR, and we'll be able to view the intercom footage as well. There we have it, HikVision ecosystem of CCTV, intercom and alarm, all via the one app, all being viewed back through one central indoor station. Great piece of equipment.